Sisi huwa tunaongozwa with a bicameral system of parliament. Yes. We have the Senate
and the National Assembly.
Which
is the upper house?
Come to think of it, which is the upper house?
Bare ogweciria ndiri atuithanio wega
tondu idea litaro ngithie mabũrũri manjirie ũhoro ũcio ri upper house gwiciria koragwo ni Senate.
Ni Senate. No riu nakuo guku ri National Assembly ni yaregire na nyama biũ tondu maundu mothe moneka ta merekagirio kou ni kuo horo rikagira
tondu US ni kuri Congress. Yes. Riu guku bare ndiri atuithanio
ni yaremire.
Tona Senate twerĩtwo nĩ nyũmba ya wase.
Actually kuri andu maingirire Senate ya mbere ya 2013.
Yes.
Kuri andu maingirire bunge yo meciritie ati riu niyo rikoragwo kusema.
Yes.
National Assembly kemeka ng'oro.
Na makĩigĩrĩra mũno magĩcia riu niyo mari oversight ga National Assembly. Riu mohagia mũndũ a impeachwo. Yes. But the National Assembly is where the buck stops. Yes.
Even the National Assembly ginya uigi enaguo.
Yes.
Na no ikoretwo kuo for quite a long time.
Yes, since independence actually.
Nikio mai koragwo na that upper hand.
Yes. You know actually our parliamentary system is borrowed heavily from our colonial master. Yes. From the Magna. Ona watho we get from the Magna Carta, the British Magna Carta, and the other documents. No nto yokete to adopted maitu au to por magite akakero ko na buge ito largely it looks very to go how to buge agerethari no ne very many similarities
especially ru make ya maundu.
Yes. And even the standing orders. I have not been there, but I have researched. Okay, ya buge ru ya ito. And there's an article we were looking at. Ya rating ya buge. Oria ino ya go track. Yes.
Hari ino ya Mzalendo. Na ikoretwo ikidura unzu muno kiumia giki.
Yes.
He mutandao wiho koretwo no horo wa gutraki performance ya omubuge na contribution yake thĩinĩ wa gĩikaro kĩa bunge. Tondu the most primary job ya mubuge ti CDF
is to legislate.
Wira wake munene ni guthie kuria bunge gutuna na guthondeka mawatho na kuruga maria marabatara kurugwo
na kuramata.
That's the primary job ya mubuge. Na nikietagwo lawmaker.
A legislator. Yeni negitogoragio ni right honorable speaker ni Masika Wetangula
Moses.
Of course the deputy speaker is Gladys Boss.
Boss Sholei
Akoria Uasin Gishu. I think protocol ya bunge korago speaker, deputy igacoka gathi riu hari Ichungwa
majority leader.
Na majority ni mkubwa unajua.
No.
Dirali function yale na governor. I was surprised. Governor nemeweta ka majority.
Aya, majority leader arankaga iguru wa governor.
Yes, he's a national leader.
Is it?
It's not a county leader. Wona ishongo kama nyosi yori. Is a level of a CS. Any he is not county assembly. Is he? No.
The National Assembly.
The majority leader in the National Assembly.
Ni mocio mutongoria wa kiburu we ni national.
Riu cio ndagita governor. Ni governor arie.
Amwite.
Acoke auge ni mukuhariria hi. Siamwe simwa Kimani wa Ichong'wa. The majority leader is not a small person. He is not.
And that office is very powerful.
Very influential. Na niko kukia kahitska nini ugo mulu akarora ko ihenya mulu.
How if you fall out with the house on the hill, where do girara giteire kiu?
Ona minority atakire mundu munini. Githige kina Junet.
Oh, Junet no leader of minority.
Yes. Wakuria Suna East. Yes. Leo ona Kimani wa Ichung'wa.
Kabenya ni mtu kubwa.
Wewe ni mkubwa bwana. Huyo ni mtu kubwa. Na leo track ino no irathi na mbere nginya kuonania ri ambunge no ria marangitie
contribution ya omubunge ngugeretie guikangia ritho tondu riu nao ni aingi ambunge makwa mari 349
yes
in total no no ndigwiciria mathai ici ni 349 to gutikiagite o mathenya maigana ona mataihuritio ndu waitu mitiganite
yes
ni ngugeretie guikangia ritho kou ndarora mothio maria familia ketuge
amwe warora ri maita maria matumitie meku nimo maigi maita maria maigi amwe mathia kugega ri niwe kuri ambunge mathia kugega no ria tugega tukiona proceedings ugithikeria Kimani wa Icung'wa aki debate yes ugithikeria mundu ta eta watia uyu wana uku Nyanza
nani
this Nyanza MPs kwi magega uria turagega makarigo Babu Owino maundu mau arutaku
amenyeire ku
and the MPs ginya ona mena
tunaona tumaga tu anakara kama sisi hatukusoma
nasikia hiyo Kizungu akia nani kwa hiyo kwa Mr. Speaker ona Senate to keria na National Assembly ni kuo kweheire andu akugega
ni na kuo no aingi na kona 340 something so kugega kwa National Assembly no ko ingainge
ajire ingire ni akuguthia kuguru to gotikihura uo
ku no kugurithia kuguru
kwe ambunge ku magega ukaigua majority leader what is your point of order honorable Icung'wa majority leader please proceed kaigua Mr. Speaker I rise on a point of order this law governs this country to an extent where in its absence the deterioration of human rights as per se would be quite in a dire situation. I intimate here as my honorable had earlier inferred
amigo
honorable Babu Owino. Mr. Speaker, I once read a book by Niccolò Machiavelli. And it said, and I quote, no
hago
ate makarena. Mr. Speaker, I am learned in the letters of the law. And I since remember that the maxim of the law has always been de minimis non curat lex. Legislation in this house, as I have studied, Mr. Speaker, sir,
yes,
during the third parliament, when it's made a bio Mr. Speaker, I was going through the Hansard and I came across a very, very sober debate that was held in this house in the year of our Lord, 1979. The bill which actually received presidential assent later in 1981 was of a similar nature to this one. Kama hatujui hii
na hiyo 79 hata yeye ni kujifanya
hata yeye ni kutafutiria. So Mr. Speaker, sir, if you allow me, I give an three. Honorable Gathaiga, Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
No kwege maragia no ndore ironico ari anageni munara guku njari
they are very silent
buge matire contribution ine mekaga
kundu kuria kurabatara gubangwo thoughts ri
kou makiragia ki
Na njua mathia kwaria canteen.
Actually, I know because I've been to parliament.
Yes.
Kuria bunge mathiaga bunge.
Yes.
No wakora ni ngira bunge within the parliament.
The presence of parliament. Yes.
No debate igithi na mbere kuria chambers ndari kuo.
Ndari kuo.
Ena guku corridor-ini burera.
Ekira kiarari. Ekira kiara gathie guthaka.
Kana gathie cafe. No inyu mureciragia mundu eku.
Athie ukerura toti.
Na kauma wega ta mundu watinda wira.
Wega piu.
Agikura okiraini.
Yes. Kana mathi kamukaga kona hau jawabu. Andu macemanagia ingi muno. Yes.
Kuri matinda riu kuburera makioragia. Na muraigua ta weka undu karatindikwo. Undu toikaira uru muno.
Uno ithungu.
Ai mathungu mau matinda makearia.
Ara mamenya bugati mathungu. Wira we ground. Na yo no makiraga mataragia ri no mahuthika ni mahinya manene ne gubanga goons.
They are better in that.
Ikwenda kuheana marĩtwa mũtigacie nĩ ũturarĩrĩria no wĩthira hau mũcarendo ũturaki
mũmenye wanyu arĩtie maigana.
Yes.
Tondũ me mwaka wa gatatũ na mũndũ ndakinyĩtie kwaria at least maita 40 mũndũ ũcio no akorwo contribution nĩ amĩkĩte bunge
na mũrimũ wa itumia kũndũ kũu.
No makinya na gukunja maroraga ta biribiri.
Gwe abunge mabatara kũgweterwo rĩrĩ kiugo tamu mamenye mekuongerera 1 kana 2.
Gũkĩhiana ũguo na rĩu speaker menya rĩu nĩ akĩbocagwo amenye abunge na speaker nake no mũndũ mũgĩ nĩ amenyaga abunge arĩa the quality contributors. Rĩrĩa arenda mũndũ wa gũchachisha nĩo ĩno akũhe kanya.
Na rĩu rĩ speaker nĩ amenya andũ arĩa nginya me vast in very many topics. Tau nĩ ambaga akamenya andũ arĩa me very knowledgeable na watho na ingĩ nĩ maheagwo kanya because they even guide the speaker on some decisions.
Tondũ nake ndakĩrĩ kĩmenyu ha mothe.
Na kũrĩ ajumbe ona ũmũthĩ ũyũ speaker ndarĩ ekĩra marĩtwa mao hakiri-inĩ.
And it is very sad.
It's unfortunate. It's sad. Kaigua honorable what is it?
Akamba kurora harĩa screen-inĩ yake.
Yes.
No ucio kurogete system ile.
Damoi.
Proceed.
Proceed. What's the point of order? Ndio akamba kali arũrĩmi. Na matikora point cina kwa ile mabaku ate. Mr. Speaker, I rise on a point of order to ask, is Honorable Gathemba dressed appropriately in this house? Very useless thing that will
and you know it will go on the record.
It will go on record.
It's
in the Hansard. Anyway, enye mathuraga. Andu mathure mũndũ ũrĩa marenda.
Ithaa 9:54.